let's discuss, since we are both men, me and Andrew, of course, why let's seriously, let's talk about this here because I want to hear from Andrew. Why do men think only saying I'm sorry fixes the hurt or repairs a broken heart? So, Andrew, do you feel like someone is really good at discerning a true apology? And is it enough in your eye?
By saying sorry,
Yes.
that's not enough.
Yeah.
That's 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 not enough. I feel like you gotta do better than that
yeah.
by just saying sorry. Like you gotta take her out to eat, fix her favorite food, something in that nature
Of course.
of your significant other that they will, you know, that will accept your apology. By you just saying sorry, not doing anything, that's not it. You know,
Yeah.
that's unacceptable. You can't just say, "Oh, sorry." You're not doing anything. You haven't taken that person out to eat or stuff in that nature. Stuff in that nature.
I agree. Absolutely. I agree. I'm sorry. It's not enough for me either. That's not enough because uh, you got to be okay. If someone, okay, if I was in a relationship with a woman, okay, let's say, she has did something and, she comes back running to me saying, or, okay, let me do vice versa. Well, let me do vice versa. Okay, let's say for me, like I did something, to hurt my significant other, and I come back
Mhm.
running to her, saying that I'm sorry. Well, yeah, she's gonna be like, okay, you're sorry for what? And then I have to explain, do this and that. And then she's gonna be like, well, that's not enough. Well, whatever my apology is.
Mhm.
I have to put action behind that. I have to go out, do something, to prove to her that I'm truly sorry for whatever I did to her. Just saying I'm sorry, it's not going to fix it. Now, with some people who are in a relationship who says I'm sorry, that's fine with them. That's how their relationship works. Fine. But with me, if you say I'm sorry, okay, you're sorry for
Mhm.
what? What you're sorry for. Truly mean it. An apology. Because if you don't, um, it's no.
Mhm.
I'm
Mhm.
sorry. It's not enough. I'm sorry. Not for
That is not
either of
enough.
us. Mm-mm,
Not enough. You
mm-mm.
got to put action behind your words. It's not
Absolutely.
enough.
Absolutely.